Okay, so this is just a quick overlook on the AquaFlask water bottle. It's a cheaper version of HydroFlask, which is way more expensive of course, but this one does the job pretty well too. This one is the 14-ounce version, and on the box it says BPA free and double walled, which helps retain your drink's temperature for quite a long time. Here it says it will keep your drinks hot for 12 hours, your cold drinks up to 24 hours, but based on experience, this is quite an exaggeration, as hot drinks stay hot for only 4 hours and cold drinks with no ice stay for fridge cold for about 6 to 8 hours. The cap is made out of plastic, so it does get warm when you put hot drinks on it, and it does moist if you put cold drinks. But the build is really good and it doesn't feel cheap in any way. This is actually my second AquaFlask. My first one is this one, an 18-ounce bottle, and as you can see it has suffered quite a few bad drops, but it still does keep my drinks the same temperature for quite a long time. For comparison, here's a 32-ounce HydroFlask bottle, which keeps my hot and warm drinks up to 6 and 18 hours respectively based on my own experience. As far as I know, HydroFlask doesn't have a 14-ounce bottle, and the closest is this one, which is a 12-ounce bottle, which will set you back around 1,700 pesos. So for almost a third of a price with no much difference in performance, I would definitely go for the AquaFlask. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified when we have new videos. And thanks for watching.